All right, the first morning with our bus. I'm heading over to go check on her. Hopefully no homeless people have decided to get into it. First night on the side of the street. Cool. No one's fucking around. All right, after getting my ass kicked at work and her doing house chores all day, we're officially here.
Worked too.
Oh, you worked yeah, you did work too. I forgot. We got to move this guy to its official parking spot. That will be a little more. Welcome aboard. You lose it?
I dropped it.
Yeah. And we're back in business. Let's see how we're doing. I think I'm a little over. No, it fits perfectly in the lines. That's
Nice.
good. Hell yeah. Bam. All right, so the first thing that's going to be on our list today is getting this guy unbolted to the ground and getting him out, because he is really big and we kind of want to put a stool right here and then end up putting cabinetry all over here. All right, quick update. We got it over there. Unfortunately, it's not going to be leaving the bus just yet because that car will prevent it. Hell yeah. Time to clean this little spot. It's still dirty. I keep stepping in it and it's wet, and my shoes are wet and dirty, so that's all right though. All right, after cleaning it up a little bit, ended up just taking these out, putting it back where it belongs for now. Tomorrow will be the day. Tomorrow we're going to take out this bed, and we're most likely then going to deal with this problem. Let me show you guys. As you can see, some of our installation has fallen from its original place, which we can't have. So we'll fix that probably tomorrow also.